Songs for speech therapy and ELD.
Hi, welcome back to Songs for Speech Therapy and ELD. Today we're going to talk about what happens in the backyard. So one thing we find in the backyard is bugs. What do bugs do? They crawl. We don't say they walk, usually we say they crawl. So what is this bug doing? It is crawling. Everyone say, it is crawling. Yeah, let's sing a song to help us remember the word crawling. So what is that bug doing? It is crawling. Sing, it is crawling. 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 What do the trees, the bushes, the grass, and the baby fruit, what do they all do in the backyard? They grow. They are growing. So what are they doing? They are growing. They are growing. Sing, they are growing. 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 What is the pinwheel doing? It is spinning. It's not a boy and it's not a girl, so we start with the word it. It is spinning. Sing, it is spinning. 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 What else do we do in the backyard? We water the plants. So what is she doing? She is watering. 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 Now it's review time. What is this bug doing? It is crawling. What are these plants doing? They are growing. What is this pinwheel doing? It is spinning. And what is this girl doing? She is watering the plants. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Hi parents, SLPs, teachers, and other educators. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for supporting Songs for Speech.